How to change your card on iPhone. If you want to change card or your payment method on iPhone, it's very simple to do so. What we're just going to do is we're going to launch settings on our iPhone. Once we launch settings, from the top, just make sure to tap on your Apple ID or your Apple ID name. Then from here, you'll find all these options. You want to go to the one that says payment and shipping. Now, when you go to payment and shipping, you'll find a couple of options, right? You first have to make sure to basically edit or remove the existing one. So if you have a current payment method you've added, you can go ahead and then try to remove that payment method in this case. Then after you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then try to add other payment method like maybe PayPal or another credit or debit card. But basically in this way, you'll be able to change your card on your iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.